It's, your, there, there. Affect, effect, our, then. These are words we commonly mix up. Let's start by talking about possessive pronouns. We learned about these in the beginning of this unit. We could say their dog, or your dog, or its dog. Each one of those indicates that the dog belongs to someone. Either the dog belongs to them, or the dog belongs to you, or the dog belongs to it. There are no apostrophes in possessive pronouns. Another common mix-up comes with contractions. Those words that we just learned as possessive pronouns sound very similar to these contractions. It's fun. Your fun. Or their fun. Each one of these is a contraction because it's replacing a missing letter. It is fun, you are fun, they are fun. That missing letter is represented with an apostrophe. Always. So contraction, apostrophe, possessive pronoun, no apostrophe. Let's look at the two words next to each other. So we have your dog versus your fun. Or its dog versus its fun. Notice each time the apostrophe represents the missing words. There's tricky situation then with the word there, where we have three different types. The apostrophe one we know is they are. They're fun. They are fun. The middle one has the word heir in it. Now, an heir would be something that you would inherit. You might be the heir of your mother's car. You will inherit that car. That would indicate that the car will belong to you. So we can keep it straight because there has the word heir, which would mean belonging to, possession. You can remember the word heir because we often call prince and princesses heirs to the throne. The prince will inherit the throne. The third way of writing there has the word here in it, and it represents a location. If you can replace the word here with the word there, and the sentence still means the same, then you spell it T-H-E-R-E. So, if we were to take a couple examples, we could say, there is a dog. I could say here is a dog and it would make perfect sense. Or, if I said they're fun, I would be saying, they're fun, here fun. That just sounds like a caveman. Doesn't work. Here are some other words you might mix up. Effect is a thing versus affect, which is a verb. We can remember this because verb is an action word, and action starts with an A. Affect, action. Our, our, and our, again, the word that starts with an A is the action. The one that starts with an H is the time, and the one that starts with an O is the possessive pronoun. So you would say 12 hours with an H, but you would say it's ours to indicate that it belongs to us. Notice, it's there has an apostrophe, so it's it is. What about the difference between then and than? Well, then represents time. We can remember that because it ends in an E. Than represents an amount. We can remember that because it uses an A, and amount starts with an A. So we could say, then we played baseball, indicating the time that we played baseball. And then we could say, it was more fun than running. That would indicate an amount of fun, so we use than with an A. Thanks again for watching. Your test will be next week.